Alright, so I just installed the light bulb into this one right here. So I installed this light bulb right here. You can tell the difference. Look at that. What a difference. Very, very nice. So now I'm going to replace this one and we'll see how they both look. Okay, so basically the way you take it off, you see I changed this one already, so I'm going to show you real quick how to change this one. So I make sure the lights are off. So with a screwdriver, flathead, I put it here and that part clicks off. Okay, once it clicks off, you just basically take the rest off. It has a, sometimes I want to be a pain in the butt, but it has like a little, see that, a little clip. So make sure it's off. Let it cool down for a couple seconds because the light bulb, it seems to get a little hot. Okay, once it cool a little bit, you'll grab it and you slide the light bulb out. That is the light bulb right here. You'll get one of your new LED lights and you'll put it in. You can see that is in right there. Okay, once it's in, make sure. I give it a little test. You can see it turns out nice. You'll grab your cover, you'll line it up. You can see it lines up like the shape, and you just make sure they have the little two things in the end. You put those two things in first, just like that, and the rest just clip on. Now test it again and look at how beautiful that looks. Awesome, beautiful lights. Okay, this fully off. Open it up, look at that. That is bright. Close the doors, wait a few seconds, and power off. On. Wait a few seconds, power off. Awesome lights.